The screen fades in from black as the sound of a deep diesel engine slowly rises, heavy, confident, unstoppable, and in that very first breath you already know this is not just a machine, this is power on wheels. Imagine standing on an open American highway at sunrise, the sky painted gold and steel gray, when a 2026 dump truck rolls into view like a moving monument of human engineering. In the next few minutes you are going to experience strength, design, and precision at a level most people only dream about, and right here on MPG Machine World we bring you closer to the world's most extreme machines with clarity, passion, and premium storytelling. If you appreciate high-end engineering, cinematic visuals, and machines that define industries, make sure you subscribe now so you never miss a journey like this, because today we promise real insight, real emotion, and real power, delivered with the smooth confidence this channel is known for. As the truck advances down the road, its massive stance immediately dominates the frame, not in a loud or aggressive way, but with quiet authority. This 2026 dump truck feels like it was sculpted rather than assembled, every line intentional, every surface designed to survive brutal work while still looking refined. The front grille is wide and commanding, framed by modern LED lighting that cuts cleanly through dust, fog, and early morning mist. From the driver's perspective, the road ahead feels owned, not shared, and that sense of control is one of the most powerful impressions this machine delivers. You don't just drive it, you command it. Under the hood lives a high-output diesel engine engineered for relentless performance, producing enormous torque that arrives smoothly and predictably. When you press the throttle, there is no hesitation, just a steady surge of controlled force that moves thousands of pounds as if gravity itself has been negotiated with. On American highways, long desert stretches, or steep mining roads, the engine remains calm, never strained, always ready. Advanced cooling systems ensure stable temperatures even under extreme load, while refined fuel management keeps efficiency surprisingly balanced for a vehicle of this scale. It is raw power, yes, but refined power, shaped by years of engineering evolution. The transmission works in near-perfect harmony with the engine, shifting seamlessly whether you are climbing a grade or cruising across flat terrain. There is a confidence in how it responds, as if it anticipates the terrain ahead. Suspension systems absorb uneven surfaces with impressive composure, giving the truck a planted feel that reduces driver fatigue and increases control. This is especially noticeable on long hauls where stability becomes just as important as strength. Even when fully loaded, the chassis remains balanced, proving that this truck was designed for real-world punishment, not just specification sheets. Step inside the cabin and the experience changes completely, transforming from industrial brute to premium command center. The interior feels more like a luxury touring vehicle than a work truck, with high-quality materials, intelligent layout, and a sense of space that immediately relaxes the driver. The seat offers multiple adjustment points, lumbar support, and suspension tuning that isolates road vibration, making long shifts feel manageable rather than exhausting. Visibility is outstanding, with large windows and well-placed mirrors giving you a clear view of your surroundings, essential when operating something of this size. Technology plays a major role in shaping the 2026 experience. A large digital display sits at the center, providing real-time data on load weight, fuel efficiency, engine health, and terrain response. Navigation systems are optimized for heavy vehicles, guiding drivers along routes designed for weight, height, and safety. Advanced driver assistance features add another layer of confidence, including stability control, hill start assist, adaptive braking, and collision awareness systems that actively monitor the environment. These systems do not replace the driver, they enhance the driver, allowing human skill and machine intelligence to work together seamlessly. Out on the road, the dump truck feels surprisingly composed for its size. Steering is responsive and well-weighted, offering precise control even at lower speeds. On long American highways, the truck settles into a smooth rhythm, engine humming steadily as miles disappear beneath the tires. There is a sense of momentum, not speed in the traditional sense, but purpose, the feeling that this machine was born to move forward with weight and responsibility. When the road narrows or conditions become challenging, the truck responds with calm assurance, never feeling overwhelmed. The dump bed itself is a masterpiece of functional design. Built from high-strength materials, it is engineered to handle abrasive loads, extreme temperatures, and constant impact without compromise. The lifting mechanism operates with smooth precision, raising massive loads efficiently and safely. Whether unloading gravel at a construction site or ore at a mining operation, the process feels controlled and dependable. Sensors monitor load distribution and tipping angles, reducing risk and increasing productivity, a clear sign that modern engineering prioritizes safety alongside performance. Storage solutions throughout the truck are thoughtfully integrated, offering secure compartments for tools, safety equipment, and personal items. This may seem like a small detail, but in real-world operation it makes a significant difference. Everything has a place, reducing clutter and improving workflow. Exterior access points are rugged and easy to reach, designed for gloved hands in harsh conditions. These practical touches reflect an understanding of how this machine is actually used day after day. Design plays an important psychological role as well. The 2026 dump truck carries a modern, confident aesthetic that communicates capability before it even moves. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and purposeful details give it a presence that commands respect on any site. In the USA and UK, where infrastructure and construction standards continue to evolve, this kind of design reflects professionalism and progress. It tells clients and operators alike that this is equipment built for the future, not the past. Comfort over long hours is where this truck truly separates itself. Noise insulation keeps the cabin remarkably quiet, allowing drivers to stay focused and relaxed. Climate control systems maintain consistent temperature regardless of outside conditions, from icy mornings to scorching afternoons. The steering wheel, pedals, and controls are positioned ergonomically, reducing strain and increasing precision. These features are not luxuries, they are necessities for professionals who rely on consistency and reliability. Fuel efficiency, while not the first thing people think of with a dump truck, has been intelligently addressed. Advanced engine mapping and aerodynamic improvements reduce unnecessary consumption, especially during highway travel. This translates into lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact, an increasingly important consideration in modern fleets. The balance between power and efficiency feels well judged, proving that performance does not have to come at the expense of responsibility. As the sun begins to set and the truck continues its journey, the visuals become almost cinematic. Dust trails glow in the fading light, the bodywork reflects the colors of the sky, and the engine's steady rhythm becomes a soundtrack of progress. This is the kind of machine that shapes landscapes, builds cities, and supports industries that keep economies moving. Driving it is not just a job, it is participation in something larger, something tangible and lasting. Before we reach the end of this journey, take a moment to remember why you came here. On MPG Machine World, we bring you closer to machines that matter, with honesty, depth, and premium storytelling. If this experience resonates with you, subscribing ensures you stay connected to the world's most powerful engineering stories, told with care and respect for the craft. As the final miles roll by, the 2026 dump truck proves itself not through numbers alone, but through feeling. It feels dependable, confident, and ready for anything. It feels like a tool designed by people who understand real work, real roads, and real expectations. There is a quiet satisfaction in knowing that this machine will perform tomorrow just as it did today, without drama, without excuses. That reliability is the true luxury. We come to a smooth close with the engine idling, the truck standing tall against the open horizon. This has been a premium journey through modern strength, thoughtful design, and refined power. Thank you for spending this time with us, and if you value content that respects both machines and viewers, subscribe to MPG Machine World for more cinematic explorations. Until next time, drive safe, stay inspired, and we will see you again on the road.